Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show animation when unlocking with fingerprint password unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then here tap on fingerprints. Now we need to put in the current screen pin. Next, go down and tap on show animation when unlocking. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now this is what it looks like when we turn on. You can see if I try to unlock it, there is a small animation right there. And if I go in here and switch it off, and now I will try to unlock using fingerprint. This time it will not make any animation at all. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.